What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I know it's been a while since I posted. I'm heading to work right now. Work in Virginia. Live in Maryland, work in Virginia. Well, that's what my project is. That's the reason why. So just want to give you guys a quick update about the car. The car so far is doing well. I'm not gonna lie, I did try to look for another GX470. There's another one that I had seen that was pretty good. I actually went ahead and made a video about it, but then I say not to post it because I wasn't able to test drive it. The car needed a fuel pump. Anyway, long story short, I did a Carfax history on it, and I noticed that that car has had 7 owners before, 7 ownership of different people. So if I was gonna get it, I'll be the 8th owner of it. So at that point, it's not good. You really wanna look for 1 owner, maybe 2 owners, and even 3. You kinda, you're kinda pushing it, right? So yeah, I did away with that though. So decided to drive the GS350, the one I'm in right now, for a while. I mean, guys, to be honest with you, my main thing is to keep it, if I can keep it. But like I said, I have some announcements that I'll make towards the end of the year. I got something coming up, so that's another reason why I wanted to get a different vehicle. But yeah, so one thing I decided to do with this with my car is change the oil. I normally use Motul oil, MOTUL 5W40. But I spoke to a friend of mine that works for Toyota, and if you guys know, Toyota and Lexus vehicles with high mileage, they do tend to burn a lot of oil, right? So mine was doing good from the repairs that I did. It took me for about maybe a couple years with no issues. But lately, going on this trip to Virginia, which is 400 miles a week total, I noticed I started burning oil again, right? So my friend told me to switch it up to Valvoline 5W30. It's protect and something. It's pretty much for high mileage, right? For high mileage vehicles. I'll take a picture of it when I get to work, so I can show you guys. Protect and restore. I believe that's what it says. Yeah, protect and restore. So I'm gonna give this one a try, see how it goes. I was off. I just got back to work today. Today's Thursday. So I haven't driven up here to work for a whole week. So I'll give it a shot next week. So I'll drive the car the whole entire time next week and see if I see any changes as far as oil consumption. If everything is good, then everything is good. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, she started burning oil again though. But then again, look at those miles. It's 204,000 miles, right? So car has a lot of miles. So it's not a brand new car. Drives like a new car, but technically it's not a brand new car though. So yeah, anyways, just want to give you guys that update. Yeah, if anything pops up, I'll let you guys know. I know for sure I won't be looking for a car, at least for the next few months. Right now I'm just like content. I'm good now for now, but more than likely towards the end of the year I will start looking for another car again. And I'll explain to you guys again the reason why I'm making that move and why I might not be able to have 4 cars, so one has to go. Yeah, so I'll take a video of the the gravel road towards work, and you guys will see the difference. Obviously it's nice and smooth, no issues at all. I get there, it will be all bumpy and everything. So I believe it rained last night around this area though, so at least I know the car will not be as dusty as it normally is. Yeah, but it sucks. I know I've mentioned this quite a bit though. Yeah, but that gravel road really does suck. Who still have gravel roads in this time of the decade or century, Well, I'm talking about at least here in this area, always actually heavily populated. Well, Leesburg is not heavily populated though, but there's it's a place that is I mean, there's people around, right? So yep. Oh man. So it sucks being off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and going to work on Thursday. I really did not have the energy to wake up this morning. It was the toughest thing ever. But the main reason I had to do that, the guy that I work with, he actually lives in Delaware, and he normally goes home on Thursday, so I needed to be there today so I can catch up on what's new with work or what I need to watch out for today and tomorrow. So that's another reason why I had to be in today on a Thursday. But yeah, if I had a choice, I would take the whole week off. For those that have followed me for a while, my last job, I was there for 16 years and a half, so I had so much seniority. I could take off anytime I wanted to, but I'm brand new here though, so I can't be doing that kind of stuff. So yep. As you guys can hear how quiet the car is, right? This is a very solid vehicle, man. If somebody's watching this video for the first time, they trying to get a Lexus GS350, especially this year, 3rd gen. It's a good car, man. Like I say, it's only oil consumption at high mileage, but that's all Toyotas and Lexuses. So yeah, if you listen to it, it's very nice and quiet. One thing I don't like is I do have some LED light bulbs, but if you notice, they're not that bright. They look bright on video, but they're really not that bright. So they also do look bright when you look at them on the outside, but I just expected them to project a little bit further up, so they only show up to that part. So it'd be nice to get a proper set of headlights and light bulbs, I guess. So yep. Alright guys, we getting on the dirt road. So here's the little asphalt that we have, and then turns into a dirt road right here. So today's gonna be a little bit muddy because it's raining, so pretty sure that's how it's gonna be though, but yeah, that's how it is. So I get off the phone, that way I can concentrate. Sometimes there's some big holes that are up here, and then there's people that speed. Like now there's a guy that's gonna be right in my bumper very soon with an SUV. So let me pay attention, but that's how bad the road is. So still here, a little bumpy. Yeah, the guys that were tailgating me, they're way ahead of me right now. So they got bigger trucks with big tires and good suspension. So yeah. So again, they put a little bit of asphalt here, which doesn't make any sense. So they have this, right? We have this, and then we go back to dirt again though. So, but what they did is, before I left last week, they repaved this one though, or not repaved it though. Oh, ouch! See, there's a lot of holes. But they redid this one though. This one had a lot of potholes, so they redid it. So this one is a little bit better though. I wish the rest of the road is like that. So yeah, this is smoother. This is perfect. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get off the video. I can take a video, pictures of the inside of the project. So yep, catch you guys later.